This video has been created to help you understand how to use our NoodleBib software to create citations for your works cited or bibliography page. In order to navigate to NoodleBib, go to the library's home page. From there, go to the left-hand menu and click on the Cite Sources link. In the center section under the Online Bibliography Creator heading, you will see a bullet point with the words NoodleBib Citation Creator, Mesa Users Only. As this is a subscription software that we purchase for our Mesa community, it will only be available to those that have a current Mesa College CSID number. Once you have clicked on the link, you will be brought to a page that asks for your CSID and last name. This is our login screen for all subscription content. If you are unable to log in with your CSID and you are a current student or employee of Mesa, please contact a librarian and we will get your login working for you. Once you have logged into the Mesa system, you will get the NoodleBib sign-in page. Note that the page has this green box that says you are in the San Diego Mesa College subscription. This means that you have logged into our page correctly, and you will not be asked to pay a fee to use the software. If you have never used NoodleBib, you will need to click on the Register link and create your account ID and password. If you already have an account, then put your credentials into the bars at the top and click Sign In. This will take you to the Projects page. If you are a returning user in a new school year, you may wonder where your projects are. This version of NoodleBib has all previous projects in a drop-down menu on the top right-hand of the screen. They are broken out by year. Here, if I drop down to the 2020-2021 school year, you'll see that I have 3 papers in the system. As I am going to start a new paper for this school year, I'm going to use the 2021-2022 drop-down and click the green New Projects button in the top right-hand corner. This brings up a box that asks me to add a project title and choose which citation style I'll be using as well as which level of user I am. My current project is for my personal training nutrition class on the keto diet, so I will put keto diet in the project title. I'm going to choose MLA style, and the Advanced button has already been selected, which is good, as I would like all the citation options to be available to me. From here, I click on the Submit button. The system will briefly put a green bar at the top that states that I have successfully created a new project, and it will add my new title to the project board. In order to start adding my papers, Citation Sources, to the system, I need to click on the blue icon that looks like a stack of books. That takes me to the Sources page, where I need to click on the green button in the right-hand corner called New Sources. This will add a box to the screen where I will need to make a choice regarding where my source was obtained. I obtained this source from a library database, so I will click on the tab for Database. This opens a new box with all of the content options. This article is from a peer-reviewed scholarly journal, so I'm going to click on the Journal option. Sometimes we click on one content type and we're not certain if we are right, so NoodleBib will usually bring up this friendly help screen to verify that you meant journal and not a different type of content. Once sure, click the blue Continue button. This brings up a screen that has all of the article information boxes for you to fill out. If you are ever unsure what is supposed to go in the box, just click inside it and you will see the I appear on the right-hand side. When you click that button, an explanation of that box content will come up. Once you have filled out all of the information, click on the blue Save button in the top right-hand corner. Please note that if you already have a citation that has been provided to you, you do not need to fill out the boxes. Instead, simply click on the box at the top of the page called Quick Cite Copy and Paste Citation. From there, you can go to the manually edited citation box and paste the citation that you have gotten from another source. Please always double check that it is correct, as NoodleBib will not correct any mistakes from this area. Once you have a variety of sources, like I do here in my persuasive speech research project, you may want to export this as a finished works cited page. In order to create a properly formatted page, just click on the icon of a printer at the top of the page and choose what you would like to use. I'm going to export this information into a Word document. I will then tell it to export all of my sources. Click the Submit button, and the system will create the Works Cited page. Notice that the system automatically put all of my sources in alphabetical order, double-spaced, indented, and put in all the periods, commas, quotation marks, and other items needed for proper citation. If I am finished, I can now add this citation sheet to my paper. And that is getting started with NoodleBib. Please contact your librarians if you would like any additional assistance with any portion of your research process. We're always here to help.